Hi, welcome to Crazy Turtle, and thanks for joining me as I do one of my favorite things, which is making sauces in the kitchen. So as you see, I have a base here. It's a quarter cup of water along with a tablespoon of cornstarch, and you can see it's a little heavy in the bottom. So I just want this to be on a medium heat. Kind of combine these two ingredients. It looks a little milky, but this is your sauce thickener and your key to having success in the kitchen. So we're going to make a sweet and spicy lime glaze today. And here is a zest and juice of 1 lime, rice vinegar, soy sauce, because I do want this to be like an Asian style sauce. This is minced garlic, and also minced ginger. Now you can chop this finely with a knife. I use a microplane or a grater. I do like that technique because it kind of gets in, the pieces are lots more feathery, smaller. And here is my sweet part, the honey. Comes my spicy part, which is the sriracha. I have a teaspoon. You can add more or less to your taste, and a pinch of red pepper flakes, because why not? And we're just gonna whisk this all together, get these ingredients all happy over the heat. They're warming up, and we will be watching this. It does not take too long. These are very quick sauces that I like to do because they just, once you have your ingredients together, they really move quickly. With under 5 minutes, they're ready. So it really kind of impresses people in your kitchen, can solve a lot of problems with maybe a meal that didn't turn out, or just enhance the hard work you've already done. So we're just going to keep an eye on this. As you can see, it's bubbling a little bit on the sides and thickening. You can see that nice dark color is coming through, and that's what you're watching for. That nice bubbling up on the sides. This means we're just about ready to take this off the heat. And that dark color. Just do a quick little stir, and then add my toasted sesame oil for a finishing flavor. I cannot wait to put this on my pork tenderloin that I'm cooking right now. Thanks so much for tuning into Crazy Turtle. Please like, subscribe. Take care. Ba, 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 da, ba, ba.